Hi guys, I got a little surprise for you. Duh. Do you know what's different about me? I have silver tooth. Just kidding. I don't. Actually, I do. Today we're gonna play with this thing. It's so cool. Even I have some stuff in there. Let's open it. Alright, let me take this LOL head out. Oh. I ditched to draw my LOL on the ground. Okay, so first, whatever this is what? I don't know. Another one, and this is my putty. Get out of here, putty. You're not in the video. So here's some lip gloss. Here's some lip gloss. Check it out. Look. Lip gloss. Check it out. And some nail polish. Cool. And some perfume. I know I love perfume. So to gather all the stuff, we're going to test out this perfume. Well, now we're here. So let's turn it so we don't get too much. Okay. Oh my. Gosh. All right. And now we're just gonna add this to wipe it off. There. Now wait until it's dry. My hair is not greasy anymore. It's not greasy. So, again, we're going to test out this nail polish. I know this nail polish, but I'm not going to do it. If it's stuck, oh no. Because this nail polish is epic. Because it's so epic. The other one is the same like this pink one that I used already too. I'll do the lip gloss. My lip balm. So let's see, you see. So this is epic lip gloss. This set. It's really fun. So it's really fun. So, do you like my video? Bye to my video. Bye.